Hello guys, so today I'll be showing you guys around the new house on Brookhaven. So the new two houses on Brookhaven. So before we get into the video, make sure you guys like, subscribe and turn on that notification bell button and go follow my TikTok and I'll link it down below. So yeah, let's get into the video. So first I'll be showing you guys the normal, this house, this one, not the premium one, but I'll show you guys the premium one after. To be honest, I don't really get the difference between the premium and the non-premium. Well, I kind of get that it has more stuff in it, but yeah, this update is this update in the house in Brookhaven is different to, it's not that different to the premium house. So when you walk in there is a mirror of just a table in here, and over to the left hand side there's a TV here, and there is also a fireplace. Yeah, here are the sofas and the tables, and there's a dining table which is very fancy light, and yeah, there's also this. There's also the sink, and the kitchen has very nice lights here. And here is also like an underneath part. And here is garage. It's a really big garage. So yeah. Oh, and I also wanted to thank you guys for 32 actually followers on TikTok, and I also appreciate all the support. Yeah. So there is upstairs. There is a ensuite with bathroom. Yeah. Oh, it's pretty big. It's a very big ensuite bathroom. Here's a toilet, separate toilet part, and a closet, and yeah, and mini exit, the ensuite. There's a big bed, and you also have your own mirror. Okay, and there's also a computer outside. There's also another room. There's also a bunk bedroom, which looks like it's for like kids. Looks like a kid room. Yeah, little children. And over here, there's just a bathroom made for kids. Yeah. So now I'm gonna do a part 2 of this, so I can. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on that notification. Bye!